Welcome to the CCLingo Speaking Gym. Do you want to speak English fast and easy? Stop translating. Today, we train your mouth to speak like a native speaker. We're going to practice spoken English using one of the most powerful techniques, shadowing. The rules are very simple. I speak and you copy me. One time slow, one time normal. Your job is to speak out loud. Open your mouth. Today is part 5 of our 1,000 most used sentences in the world challenge. We selected these sentences using big data because they are the most frequently used in daily life. Whether you are returning for day 5 or this is your very first video, you are in the right place. When you repeat after me, your mouth learns how to move. Your brain learns how to think in English faster. Your confidence grows with each sentence. By the end of this video, speaking English will feel much better. It's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn and grow in our English channel. Ready to build your English muscles? Let's begin. Do you like pizza? Do you like pizza? Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it. Is it good? Is it good? It tastes amazing. It tastes amazing. What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? My favorite color is green. My favorite color is green. Do you like this song? Do you like this song? No, it's too loud. No, it's too loud. How is the movie? How is the movie? That's interesting. That's interesting. Do you like him? Do you like him? He is very nice. He is very nice. Is English difficult? Is English difficult? It's a little hard. It's a little hard. Which one do you like? Which one do you like? I like the red one. I like the red one. Do you agree? Do you agree? Absolutely, I agree. Absolutely, I agree. Is that boring? Is that boring? Yes, very boring. Yes, very boring. Do you want to go? Do you want to go? No, I want to stay. No, I want to stay. How do you like it? How do you like it? I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Are you happy? Are you happy? Yes, I'm very happy. Yes, I'm very happy. Is it safe? Is it safe? Yes, don't worry. Yes, don't worry. What do you think? What do you think? I think it's good. I think it's good. Do you mind? Do you mind? No, I don't mind. No, I don't mind. Is he funny? Is he funny? Yes, he makes me laugh. Yes, he makes me laugh. Do you like sports? Do you like sports? I like playing soccer. I like playing soccer. Is it cold? Is it cold? Yes, I'm freezing. Yes, I'm freezing. Does it matter? Does it matter? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Are you sure? Are you sure? Yes, I'm certain. Yes, I'm certain. Do you believe me? Do you believe me? Yes, I trust you. Yes, I trust you. Is it important? Is it important? It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. Do you prefer tea or coffee? Do you prefer tea or coffee? I prefer coffee. I prefer coffee. Is that true? Is that true? Yes, it's really true. Yes, it's really true. Congratulations! You have just completed today's shadowing practice. Give yourself a little pat. You are doing amazing. Showing up every day is how real progress happens, and I am really, really proud of you. Remember, this is more than just an English video. This is your daily speaking gym. Come back every day and practice with me. You are moving from A1 to A2 and soon to B1. And yes, advanced English is absolutely possible for you. Want to remember these sentences forever? Play our free typing game. You can find the link pinned at the very top of the comments section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more. It truly helps us create even more for you. Keep going, keep growing, and keep speaking. I can't wait to see you next time.